Algorand value equivalent to 2.9664 rands a coin. The present cost range, 2.9428 2.9939. The earlier day close, 2.9804. The change was 0.0140, 0.47%. Backwards rate, ZAR to ALGO. Algorand cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, May 29, cost 2.94 rands, high 3.15, low 2.73. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, May 30, cost 3.02 rands, high 3.23, low 2.81. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, May 31, cost 2.94 rands, high 3.15, low 2.73. Algorand conjecture on Thursday, June 1, cost 2.79 rands, high 2.99, low 2.59. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost 2.79 rands, high 2.99, low 2.59. In multi-week Algorand conjecture on Monday, June 5, cost 2.79 rands, high 2.99, low 2.59. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost 2.75 rands, high 2.94, low 2.56. Algorand estimate on Wednesday, June 7, cost 2.77 rands, high 2.96, low 2.58. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, June 8, cost 2.77 rands, high 2.96, low 2.58. Algorand estimate on Friday, June 9, cost 2.62 rands, high 2.80, low 2.44. In about 14 days Algorand cost forecast on Monday, June 12, cost 2.68 rands, high 2.87, low 2.49. Algorand estimate on Tuesday, June 13, cost 2.77 rands, high 2.96, low 2.58. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, June 14, cost 2.87 rands, high 3.07, low 2.67. Algorand estimate on Thursday, June 15, cost 2.93 rands, high 3.14, low 2.72. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, June 16, cost 2.87 rands, high 3.07, low 2.67. In 3 weeks Algorand estimate on Monday, June 19, cost 2.93 rands, high 3.14, low 2.72. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, June 20, cost 2.83 rands, high 3.03, low 2.63. Algorand gauge on Wednesday, June 21, cost 2.86 rands, high 3.06, low 2.66. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, June 22, cost 2.88 rands, high 3.08, low 2.68. Algorand gauge on Friday, June 23, cost 2.75 rands, high 2.94, low 2.56. In about a month Algorand cost forecast on Monday, June 26, cost 2.72 rands, high 2.91, low 2.53. Algorand gauge on Tuesday, June 27, cost 2.61 rands, high 2.79, low 2.43. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Algorand cost forecast for May 2023. To start with cost at 3.30 rands, exorbitant cost 3.63, while low cost 2.69. The found the middle value of cost 3.14. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 2.94, change for May 10.9%. Algorand gauge for June 2023. To start with cost at 2.94 rands, excessive cost 3.14, while low cost 2.43. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.86. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 2.93, change for June 0.3%. Algorand cost expectation for July 2023. Before all else cost at 2.93 rands, excessive cost 2.93, while low cost 2.29. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.65. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 2.46, change for July 16.0%. Algorand figure for August 2023. Before all else cost at 2.46 rands, excessive cost 2.46, while low cost 2.06. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.30. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 2.21, change for August 10.2%. Algorand cost expectation for September 2023. Before all else cost at 2.21 rands, excessive cost 2.51, while low cost 2.19. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.32. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 2.35, change for September 6.3%. Algorand figure for October 2023. Before all else cost at 2.35 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.92, while low cost 2.35. The found the middle value of cost 2.59. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 2.73, change for October 16.2%. Algorand cost expectation for November 2023. First and foremost cost at 2.73 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.73, while low cost 2.13. The found the middle value of cost 2.47. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 2.29, change for November 16.1%. Algorand estimate for December 2023. First and foremost cost at 2.29 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.29, while low cost 1.79. The found the middle value of cost 2.07. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 1.92, change for December 16.2%. Algorand cost expectation for January 2024. First and foremost cost at 1.92 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.11, while low cost 1.83. The found the middle value of cost 1.96. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 1.97, change for January 2.6%. Algorand estimate for February 2024. At the outset cost at 1.97 rands. Excessive cost 2.45, while low cost 1.97. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.17. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.29, change for February 16.2%. Algorand cost expectation for WAC 2024. At the outset cost at 2.29 rands. Excessive cost 2.29, while low cost 1.88. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.12. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.02, change for spring 11.8%. Algorand conjecture for April 2024. At the outset cost at 2.02 rands. Excessive cost 2.35, while low cost 2.02. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.15. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.20, change for April 8.9%. Algorand cost expectation for May 2024. First and foremost cost at 2.20 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.20, while low cost 1.72. The found the middle value of cost 1.99. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 1.85, change for May 15.9%. ZAR to ALGO conversion scale equivalent to 0.3371 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.3340 minus 0.3398. The earlier days nearby 0.3355. Change for now plus 0.0016 plus 0.48%. Rand to Algorand gauge on Monday, May 29, cost 0.340 coins, high 0.366, low 0.317. ZAR to ALGO forecast on Tuesday, May 30, cost 0.331 coins, high 0.356,